friends, the best advantage of staying in North Bengal is this. Can you see the hills? Yeah, it's just a few kilometers away from your home. So today morning, me and Kaushik, we just thought that why not have some Darjeeling tea and have a scrumptious breakfast by sitting at a hillside cafe and give a treat to our eyes. So just come and let's check today's view. Let's see what we can order over here. This place serves some amazing breakfast and brunches. Many options are there. My most favorite over here is the Darjeeling tea and the sandwich. So first let's order these and then let's decide. So we have ordered one margherita pizza, one pot of Darjeeling tea and roasted chicken sandwich. I guess it will be quite delicious. Now let's see. Amazing weather, it's drizzling outside and just having a sip of Darjeeling tea. This place makes some amazing sandwiches. Whenever we visit this place, we don't forget to miss out this. Friends, you must be thinking that who orders pizza for breakfast? Actually, our breakfast is turning into a Sunday brunch instead of Sunday breakfast. So we thought, why not try on these pizzas? So time for us to head goodbye, tata, bye-bye to a beautiful Sunday morning breakfast. Now let's move into the car and head towards home. Time for us to head back to home. Now we are leaving the place and we can see that this place is becoming quite crowded thanks to us because we came early this morning and this place was quite calm, and for this reason I like this place because not always it's too crowded. Now it's over this video. Guys, how did you like this video? Please let us know in the comment section below. Your suggestions and queries and your feedback is utmost required, and kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Offtrack Couple. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you always get the notification about our more interesting videos. So time for us to leave. Tata, bye bye, take care. Friends, we have this advantage of staying just nearby to the hills. is that whenever we feel like that we need some kind of recreation or some kind of refreshment, we just don't wait or do some planning or do some budget planning. We just pack our bags, take our scooty or bike or car, and just drive a few kilometers away, and we are on the hills. Darjeeling and Kurseong is the most visited destinations for the people of North Bengal. And for we, like who live in Siliguri, every now and then we just take our car and we come over here. For bike riders, this is the most utmost destination.